Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to make your video clips shake in the CapCut video editor. It is mind-blowingly simple guys, so let me show you how it's done really quickly. Start by adding your video clips to your library by clicking on import here. Next, select the video clip you would like to use and place it here on your timeline by left clicking and drag and dropping it just like that. Adjust its length if needed. Now guys, to add or to apply a shake effect, left click on your video here on the timeline and head over to the effect section here at the top and search for an effect called shake. Simply do that by typing in here in the search bar shake, press enter, and next choose the shake effect from the list of available effects below. Like for example, as you can see, they feature several shake effects here in the CapCut library, like that one here, or with a horizontal shake like that. To watch the effect in the preview guys, left click on it, and to apply it, click on that plus icon here. That is going to apply the given shake effect to your video clip. You may also adjust the given effect's length here on your timeline just like that. So that's the first shake effect. Let me apply another one, a second one here a few seconds later, like that shake effect here. Adjust its length again, and let me add also a third shake effect, that one here this time, to my video just like that. So watch your video in the preview mode to enjoy the fruits of your work, and that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.